Hello all, welcome back students. So in this video we will be demonstrating programmatically how we will make use of indexing techniques for operations on a list. Already indirectly we have introduced this topic in the beginning of the video modules of this chapter, but still formally I will introduce this topic once again and give you some programmatical demos by which we can use indexing for you can say performing certain traversing operations on a list. Okay, now in case you are still not aware, just like string, indexing in a list will occur in two ways. Suppose I write some name here. Okay. Now, as you know that indexing is of two types. Forward indexing. If I talk about forward indexing, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And if I talk about reverse indexing or backward indexing, it will start from the back with -1, okay, -1, okay, -2, characters will go here and there, -3, -4 and -5. Okay, same thing is applicable for string, same thing is applicable for list, same thing will be applicable for the next chapter, tuple. Okay, so this traversing will stay the same for every programmatical structure that you study in Python. But in one of the previous video recorded, I told you one very major difference, that lists are mutable. Okay, meaning of mutable means once contents are created, its contents can be changed very easily. Okay, so that mutability concept can be again you can say made to work with the concept of indexing. So let us now see some example of indexing. Suppose I am creating a list L equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the first use of indexing can be printing you can say normal elements. Suppose I want to print L of 0. L of 0, I'm just making use of forward indexing. L of 0, as you know, 1 will be printed. Okay, suppose I want to print the last elements L of -1, it will be printing 7. Okay, so indexing is okay, just printing the elements. Where this indexing becomes more powerful, using this indexing I can exercise the property of lists being mutable. Suppose instead of 2 I want 22. So first of all I should know the index of 2. What is the index of 2? 0, 1. Index of 2 is 0, 1. Okay, so L of 1 I want 22. Suppose instead of 5 I want 55. So I should know the index of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index of 5 is 4th position. So L of 4, what I want 55. Okay. So if I do print L, you will see that I am getting the updated list. So this is you can say another small use of indexing. It will be used to exercise that lists are mutable. But by far students, the most valuable use of indexing is again accessing the elements of the list that I think exercised in so many previous videos. For I in range 0 to length of L, length of L, and print what is the list name L of I. Now how this works, I already gave you the explanation. 0 to length of L. So indexing will start with 0. What is the length of L? Suppose length of L is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Length of L is 7. So my loop structure will be from 0 to 7. Okay, and as you know, if loop structure is from 0 to 7, technically loop will execute from 0 to 6 because 7 is the last element. It will not be executed. Now if I talk about 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, all elements will be printed properly. Okay, now first of all value of I will be 0, so L of 0 1 will be printed, then value of I will be 1, L of 1 2 will be printed, and so on. So this way also we can use make use of effective use of the indexing policy, so that we are able to access the elements of a list. I know it is little repetitive from the previous videos, but because it is ultra useful I am just revising you with the same. One more type of indexing is there where we make use of reverse indexing, to, you can say, print the contents of the list in the reverse order. Already the practical demo has been given. Let us see once more. For I in range, say -1 minus length of L -1, and because we are using the reverse loop, we have to use the step to -1. Okay, all these details have been given very concretely in the previous videos and also in the live class, how this reverse loop is working. Please go through the same. Okay, and as you can see, we are able to print the list in reverse order. Okay, students, so this was the, you can say, property or operation of list where we are dealing with indexing. I told you that this is already a topic we had discussed in some other video indirectly, but officially we introduced the same in this video practically and programmatically. So students, that would be all from my side for this video. Thank you and have